Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let us see how to solve the 19th question in exercise 5.3. So let us look at the question. 200 logs are stacked in the following manner. 20 logs in the bottom row, 19 in the next row, 18 in the row next to it, and so on. In how many rows are the 200 logs placed and how many logs are there in the top row? So now let's try to change all the information that's known to us in terms of AP. They have given that 200 logs are totally stacked, which means Sn is equal to 200. So let's note that first salient point. They told that the bottom row has 20 logs. So we are going to treat the bottom row as A and each of the subsequent rows as the next term of the AP. So A is actually holding 20 logs. So A is 20. Next row is actually having 19, which means D is equal to minus 1. So they've asked us what is n, that is going to be in how many rows the logs are in. So we need to calculate the value of n. And given the value of n, we needed to calculate how many logs are there in that particular row. So let's see, we are supposed to calculate the value of n. Put the formula of Sn and let's start substituting. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. So there are totally 200 logs. So 200 is equal to n is unknown. So n by 2 into 2a. So 2 into 20 is 40. N minus 1 into minus 1. So I'm going to take this 200 and make this 400. So 400 is equal to n into 40 minus n plus 1. So this is 400 is equal to n into 41 minus n. So let's do a term-wise multiplication. 400 is equal to 41n minus n square. Rearrange this as a quadratic equation. So n squared minus 41n plus 400 is equal to 0. So I need to split the middle term for 400 such that I get minus 41n. So 25 into 16, we are going to get 41. So n squared minus 25n minus 16n plus 400. So let's see, n into n minus 25 minus 16 into n minus 25 is equal to 0. So n minus 16 into n minus 25 is equal to 0. So n is equal to 16 comma 25. So either there are 16 rows having these logs or they are going to have the 25 rows having these logs. So now let's calculate. They said we need to know how many logs are there. So let's take case 1. Case 1 is going to be equal to n is equal to 16. Then we are calculating an because we need to know how many logs are there in the 16th row. So which is equal to a plus n minus 1d. So a we just know it is 20. So n is 16. So 15 into minus 1. So 20 minus 15 which is equal to 5 logs. So if there are 16 rows, then the log is going to be 5 logs are there in the 16th row. Now let's do the same process for case 2. So in case 2, we are going to take n is equal to 25. So case 2, n is equal to 25. Let's substitute in the an formula. So an is equal to 20 plus 24 into minus 1, right? So because n is equal to 25. So 20 minus 24 is equal to minus 4. Since negative number of logs are coming in, we are not going to pick the option of n is equal to 25. So discard this case and say that total number of rows is equal to 16. Number of logs in 16th row is equal to 5. In the next video, we will see how to solve the 20th question in this exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.